Alright, so my X200S ThinkPad is being used elsewhere, donated to the cause at work, so I decided to get this for my on the couch watching shows, you know, take it on the go or in the car or something like that, where I can you know, do some really mobile stuff that I used to do with the X200S. And I tried this out, and it just blew me away at how good it was for $150 at Best Buy. It's going to have more than enough hardware for what I'm going to use it for: PNC, RDP, Microsoft Office, Internet, stuff like that. Now I don't want to show you that, but so it looks like it's got all the information underneath there. But we're going to open her up here. Pretty nifty box. I mean, it's a lot better than some of the boxes I've used in the past. Oh, look at that. There's the "In Search of Incredible." Well, let's just hope. First, got a computer. Put that aside for right now. Got some product keys and stuff, and you know, some warranty card, manual, quick start guide here. You know, your typical paperwork, and then the charger, really small, really light. Looks like it's got plenty of cable there, and you've probably seen other reviews. It's got a proprietary connector right there, but all in all, it's really light. It's, you know, together it's like, oof, for lugging this bad boy around, I feel real strong now. But yeah, that's it. I'll put it that way. Got a nice little sleeve here, and there you go. It's upside down. You know, it's got Asus X200S. So I just got it Best Buy here. It's real sleek. Got nothing on there except for some indicator lights. Got some USB ports there. Says, yeah, USB. See if it focused. Just the little nubs that some people complain about. Over here, got your charging, you got your micro SD, micro HDMI, and your audio port. Let's open her up. And another one of these things. And there she is. The old college try. See how she works out for what the task at hand. Gonna get a USB dongle for Ethernet since most of these machines don't come on. But yeah, all in all, it's pretty sleek and very light. But thanks for watching.